Okay, now the sink, a couple hours later, I guess 10, 11, 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 hours later, they fixed, this is the sink, that's the old sink, that's the old one. This is the new sink down here, and they replaced the pipe. The black parts is new, and the white with the red writing is new. This clog was in this whole main going down into the ground. Okay? And now I'm just bleeding out, flushing out the water before I turn the water off for the day. Okay? This is how it's looking in here. Cleared out this washing machine. It's just got the dryer left. Okay. That's it for now.